Hang on. Okay, we got Blue here.
What's up?
Blue, tell him, and we got Sean, and we got Toussaint, but that's his ass. Tell him what you gonna do right now.
I'm getting ready to pick up this fresh pile of dog shit with my bare hand.
For what?
For $3.
For $3.
Alright.
Happy hour's a bitch.
Oh, it's juicy.
All of it. You gotta do all of it.
I'm getting
Oh, Jesus. The dog's like, thank you. Let me see.
This carpet right here.
Let me see your hand.
Dude,
What, you want to see it close?
Ew.
I'm sorry, but the door is locked, Blue.
That is gross. You are a disgusting motherfucker.
The door is locked.
The door is locked.
Take me around front then.
I got you.
Can I get that $3 or that 20?
You better go wash your hands first before you touch my money, son.
Right hand.
Go.
Well, give me about 10-15 more minutes. I'll call you right back.
What the fuck?